little line. Okay.
I'm just a guest here. Although I am on the channel.
Part of the hand.
Papa Dylan. In the boots. I just do that.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
We're continuing from the last video where we started off making these. I can hold them up. So we have Buddy Blue, Red Buttler, and Patio Green. I know because they told me.
Yeah. Anyways, okay. We got some work done on Patio Green here. She now has hair. Remember before it was Forrest Gump's head? We had a little bit of a paint mishap. She fell in the blue paint.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to paint her face, and plus we gotta get rid of her manly eyebrows and give her some eyelashes. So that's fine.
And we have to do the opposite with hands.
So recap, we're working on faces today.
Yay.
So I will be working on Patio Green's
maybe I can
face.
help. I'm gonna be doing. I just feel useless. I'm not doing something. So maybe
Okay, you want Buddy Blue? Do you want to do another coat of red hair on him?
Okay. Sure.
Okay, all right. So let's get out our paints. We can use this surface for collective painting if you want, or to just have them sort of sit. That's orange. Yep, orange glitter. That's Lucy in the corner there. Okay, so you're gonna need the red. So last time we made kind of like an orange red for Red Buttler.
So make sure it doesn't fall in there.
Yeah, we don't want to have another mishap. Face plant in the paint.
No.
Anyways, all right.
Although normally when you want to make a really good orange, you just need a little bit red and a lot of yellow. But
Well, we can gauge it and add more. Okay. We're gonna mix it with our brush because that's how I roll. Okay, so we do need a little more yellow.
Yeah, you need a little more yellow. There's usually more yellow in orange than there is red. Oh
Oh, you can get various different shades.
no! See, no.
Lucy, if you want to paint, you can paint on the thing right here. Yeah? She's gonna want some paint stuff. Lucy, do you want to paint on the plate?
Lucy, you're painting too?
Yeah, of course.
Oh man.
What do you think? Lucy, do you want some yellow?
For this guy, what are we gonna be?
Okay, you'll have fun with that yellow. Okay, so we have skin color in there. You reach in there, see if you can find it.
Skin? I'm not the very talented. I'm not very good at keeping.
There's another shade of skin in there too. There's like a more tan one.
This.
It's okay.
Being very smooth. No, I got paint on my finger. Okay.
That's okay. It washes off. It is not permanent paint. Lucy, your head is right in the middle of our video. Oh, Lucy.
It is. We can't see Dylan. Hey, Lucy, you're hogging. You're hogging the attention.
Okay.
There's only one star here. You were the star last
Back
week.
of her head.
You were the guest star last week.
Heed! Move!
Okay. So we're getting rid of the manly eyebrows on this one. No manly eyebrows.
So
You're
for
not a man anymore.
So is there anything that you change of Red Buttler?
Red Butler's face is fine in my opinion. I wouldn't worry about his face. We do need to paint his outfit red. We also got to add some little trims and details to make him look more like
We'll
Red
also
Butler.
need a cool cape.
No kicks!
Everybody's got a part to play to start each day in a beautiful way. Every morning when the night goes away, every morning is a brand new day.
Can you tell that this is my favorite color? I love green. Green walls. I had a green table in the other one. Mommy likes green.
Mommy?
Yes, she does. Okay.
Is your favorite? Which one is your favorite character though?
Rainbow Brite, of course.
I'm flattered.
We're talking about the
Rainbow
Color
Brite.
crystals.
The color crystals, yes. So what I was explaining to Colin is all the color kids are in charge of their color crystals. From the color crystals that remind in the mountains of Rainbow Land. And it's Rainbow Brite's job to make sure that the world stays colorful and beautiful. And because it brings hope and joy to people. All the color kids have their own sprites that, you know, are like this dude over there. I can't reach. But he's little fluffy, nice, kind of minion-like guys. Not quite. They came long before the minions, but kind of like a pillow minion.
Ba 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 na na, ba 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 na na, oh ba ba ba.
But they're coming. They're same colors and looks good. All right, now we can let it dry. Get the back. Okay.
I'm gonna do the red butler's cape.
Oh gosh. It's okay. You sit down for it.
This is the red butler's cape.
Red Butler's cape. We can do Red Butler's cape.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna go get that one.
Alright.
Alright. I'm back, everyone.
Where is your brush?
I'm back.
Want some more yellow?
The one you're gonna be doing the cape on. I want white.
You want some white? Okay. Lucy wants some white.
The hair isn't exactly
Okay, that's a little big of a brush for that. And then we get a smaller one.
Oh, okay.
Kind of medium size.
Smaller one, so that this one? Yeah, like that.
Okay.
Try to not get any of his neck. I'll try not to. Or his
So right now we're just gonna do the orange yellow part. So you go ahead and mix that together.
Put it together. Punch it together.
Makes it kind of more of a gold orange. You think is that about right?
Let's see.
What do you think?
Maybe a little more yellow.
A little more yellow? Okay.
I need a little more yellow.
Okay. Put together. What do you think? Is that good enough?
Nicer.
Look better?
Okay.
Alright, so we're gonna turn this white cape into an orange cape.
White. You
Want some red?
The red button.
You want some black? Black, okay. Lucy, of course, is painting with us.
Everyone, soon Mommy is gonna make a white square in the cape.
But right now, we're not gonna worry about any details. We're just doing the basics.
It's called the Ugly Barnacle. Once there was an ugly barnacle. He was so ugly that everyone died. The end.
I'm doing a second coat on Patio Green's hair. I started to paint.
Oh, Buddy Blue's shirt. He's starting to become Buddy Blue. I love it. That's awesome.
Once the light blue is gone, we're gonna get dark blue and make these things.
Well, you gotta add the sleeve things.
Gotta add those.
But you can make his shorts that darker blue.
Yeah. Is there a white color code? It'd be stained though.
Not quite. There's Stormy and there's who else is there? There is a pink one called Tickle Pink. And
Lucy just looked at you like.
she's like, you said my favorite color. That's Lucy's favorite color. Lucy's favorite color is pink.
Well, of course.
Okay, are you all done?
Let's get this.
Put it in there.
Let's get this blue.
You're all done. Put it in there. It's beautiful, Lucy. I love your theme you painted.
Start each day in a beautiful way. Every morning when the night goes away.
Good morning, Starlight.
Good morning to you all.
Morning is a brand new day.
Hey, so we're back. Let's switch it around so you guys can see our people a little better. There's Buddy Blue over there. Bring him over for a second. Buddy Blue. Not sure why nobody's standing straight today. There he is. That's Buddy Blue. You can see how we've changed him so far. But yeah, so she's gotten green hair and her skin got another coat. We need some blue for patio greens. Bows are blue. Okay, so we need. Is that you? Yep. And it says cute, cute, cute on your thing, huh? And somebody's here.
Hey, Rainbow Brite. Hello, Shakespeare.
Good morning.
Rainbow Brite. Feel the sun.
Okay, so back real quick. This is some of our progress. We've added eyes. Oh, we fixed our skin. Fixed her eyes. Now they have eyebrows. She's got man eyebrows. Not girl ones anymore. And she's got girly eyebrows and eyelashes. Done her hair. A little bit of work on their clothes. There's still more to do. And our butler hasn't had much done. But unfortunately, patio green got knocked down and lost one of her pigtails. So I'm going to have to adjust that and fix it. But anyways, we will be back again next time on Too Many Freakin' Crafts to continue working on these 3 color kits and our Rainbow Brite collection. Have a good night, guys. Bye.